Starting in January 2023, any medical bill under $500 will not be reported to the credit bureaus whatsoever. So if you have a medical bill that's $120 sitting in collections, I don't want to tell people the wrong thing, because you can be sued, but negotiate that bill as much or for as long as you possibly can, because it's not actually going to hit your credit report starting in January.
Okay, that's good to know, because if you think about it, like even just say it's a $500 bill, like we're at the top of this limit here. Just say that it ends up going to collections for whatever reason. That small amount of money, if it goes to collections and ends up in your credit report, can have a significant impact. Like you said, like if you're trying to buy a house, if you're trying to take out a loan, if you need a car, like all these things, if you're trying to rent an apartment, it could hinder you from a lot of different things for such a small amount of money. So I think it's only fair to put a cap on, what type of what dollar amount can cause significant damage to your life.
Yeah, and one thing I do when we are working with bills that are in collections, some of the questions that we ask are, are you planning to sue for this bill? Because usually when somebody sues, it's the collections company. So are you planning to sue? Is this bill accruing interest? And if they say no to those two things, then I know that I've got some time to negotiate that bill. Especially, if it's under $500, I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna offer you $100. And if you say no, I'll call you back in a month and we'll keep doing this dance until you accept what I'm going to pay you. So that's kind of the upside of these new rules, is it kind of gives you a little bit more leeway to be able to bargain and negotiate, because it's not really going to affect you significantly for quite a while.